Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you these storage boxes. So in the pack it comes with 6 different colors of the storage boxes along with a travel pouch. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be using them for. So I know that you can use these for dice, Pokemon cards, those cards with cars on them, sports cars. I know there's like those football players that there's like cards you can collect. So basically I'm going to be giving this to my cousin. He collects like Pokemon cards, and he has this like huge book that's like this big, and this is just so much smaller and easier to take around. His book weighs like literally 20 pounds. It's so thick and big. So I received these, and I was planning on giving these to my cousins because he collects those kind of cards. I don't really collect any cards like that, but we do have a whole basement downstairs with different games, and we actually just bought this game and it's for magic tricks. So in here I could store some what's it called, like some dice. It also comes with this, just place in the back. You can use it if you really want to, I guess, to like separate anything. But yeah, it comes with all these different colors. I probably can also use stuff for this for school. Like I could keep in here just like random notes or like annotating. I could just plop in here some note cards or anything I really want to. So if you're looking for anything to help you stay organized or store that's nice and small, and you can even take this on the go, it's so much smaller than a whole entire book of Pokemon cards, then I would definitely recommend trying this.